Morning guys, sun's out again. Something a little bit different today. An old Alfa Spider having a two-stage carbon clean service. K-Reg, hazard a guess, I think that's 1994, but I'm sure someone would correct me, maybe 92. Very good condition. Doesn't get out much, so she's having a two-stage carbon clean service. Plumbed into the intake at the moment, having the hydrogen, and just about to put our injector cleaner in. Very nice, something different. Makes a change from a diesel. All petrol and diesel vehicles benefit from carbon clean services. Have a great day till the next time. Cheers.